There's a great spiritual lesson for us in this story. First of all, God created everything. God created man. He fashioned man. This man, there was wickedness everywhere. Always God sends people on a rescue mission because He wants to rescue His creation. Now, in this context, God asked Noah to make an ark. Through this ark, God will save Noah's family and also creation. What is this ark? It's a symbol of the church. Everywhere around us, yes, we see in the world the wickedness. Ark is a symbol of that church. In church, yes, the beauty, truth, the order of God is preserved. So when God asked Noah to make an ark, it means He was sending him on a rescue mission. There was destruction everywhere. So Noah released that life which he preserved. Through this ark, he saved life. Lesson is that there is a watery chaos where we live, secularization, people going away from God. The life of God has been disturbed. No, God sends you in this situation to make an ark. What is the ark? The ark symbolizes your spiritual life. You have to make an ark. If you're strong, you have preserved the faith in yourself. Through the word of God and the sacraments and praise and worship, you are coming to God. You have saved your life. You have that goodness, that truth, that joy, gift of faith in you. That same life you will share with the world. Where there is chaos, where there is tohu, vabahu. That's our task. Your faith is not for your edification. It is for the world. This is a mission. We are sent on a mission. That's why we are called, like Noah, build an ark of prayer, worship with the presence of God. So that there is death around us, we can bring life. Build an ark. Preserve that goodness. This age, we need more people coming to God so that we can save the world. Let's continue being faithful to the church, connected with the church. As you are saved through the church, all of us belong to this church, and continue building our own personal life of prayer. That's your ark. May God bless you.